Hi everyone, this is Heather Lawton from the Flourish.Academy. This is episode 396. I'm at YM Camera this evening for the big event for the Z series launch from Nikon. Guess what? I have it in my hands. This is the first Nikon Z7 mirrorless, first mirrorless camera from Nikon with the Z mount. I have it in my hands. I'm shooting it, I'm playing with it. I'm super excited. I'm trying to hurry up and get some shots in before people get here because I'm gonna have to let other people use it, I'm sure. But anyway, you can follow this event over on Instagram. I'm posting on Instagram stories at Flourish.Academy, so check me out there. Look at this. This is the Z7, the Nikon mirrorless. Look at it. Super lightweight. It's mounted currently with the 24 to 70 f4 lens. I've been testing the continuous focus. So servo, focuses super fast and very quietly, which I really like. Of course, it's lightweight. Look, I'm holding it with one hand and it's not like killing me. And if you come out, if you have time, scratch that. You should come out even if you don't have time and join us here at YM Camera for this big launch because they're going to put on a little show and it's going to be super exciting. So I'll see you soon.